Namaskaram everyone. At Aviyaan, sustainability isn't a practice, it's a way of life. Every corner, every plant, every space speaks, which reflects our care for better tomorrow. But at Aviyaan, there are certain practices which we deliver to an extent where we believe that we're gonna give true efforts towards our nature. Now, this is divided into various categories. I would like to take an opportunity to highlight some of the key points here. Our number one, our 7 acres of land is full of green zone. We have around 4,000 plantation, which covers across all the lands. Our building is green building. We capture almost 100% of rainwater harvesting. I want to enhance a very important point at Aviyaan. We have created a zone which is 100% oxygen zone, which is called Oxy Garden. We made sure this particular of 10,000 square feet space are filled with the plants which generate oxygen, which is benefiting to our guests when we travel across. And this space has a AQI of less than 110, which is very important in day-to-day life. When we enter towards our lobby is 35 feet higher. We have across precisely 6,000 square feet of lobby where we have entire ceiling covered with the glass and we get our natural light here. So in a daytime, we have entire lobby getting exposure to the natural light. We have no artificial light are there, so which is a very unique point. Our third strong pillar is giving back to the society. We have divided this into various segments. Number one, giving back to the animals because they are our integral part. So we have adopted 20 cows. We have called a Gaushala by Aviyaan. So in 2020-21, when we started building Aviyaan at Lucknow, our vision was very clear. We wanted to make sure we do not disturb the nature. Hence, we preserved every single plant from 1 feet height to 27 to 30 feet height, and we believed in it, and we've been very successful. Now, to take this step further, whenever we have any of the guests arrives, we made sure they get one plant and we plant them in our garden and we tag it by their name and we nurture them. And that's the way guest feels delighted because they are also contributing towards the nature, which becomes a part of a precious memory for them. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity to ensure that we have a better future and brighter future. In the end, protecting the nature is the only solution. Whatever we say, it should not be just a sustainability, it should be a way of life. That's how our coming generation will ensure the brighter earth and the better future. And let's take a pledge today once again, not just to put some efforts, let's make a way of life to make sure that we live sustainability as a practice. Thank you so much from the entire family of Aviyaan Parivar Lucknow.